I would watch them as the air began to cool. They'd come to me for warmth and shelter. I gave them love, and they'd love me back. I would keep them safe, give them life and happiness. It's winter. She can't care for them now, frozen and lifeless. I protect them from the unforgiving cold. She was useless. They were all too scared to leave my side. They wouldn't dare it. I'm afraid. The seasons are changing. When they start becoming distant and forget about the warmth that I gave. I didn't like it. She couldn't love them like I could. They were so far away, out of reach. Why did they ignore me so? That wench can't protect them like I do. It makes me rumble with anger. The mere sight. They don't really love her. I see their fake smiles. They're coming back to me. It makes me so happy. I never want them to leave. Never again. I'll give them all of my warmth and love. They won't return to her. They will not see her again. They smile as the snow comes down. Their screams of laughter and joy. They'll never leave me again.